How to fix the keyboard input delay or lagging on your Windows 11. Hello everyone and welcome back. On today's video, we'll be discussing some of the steps which can help you to fix this error. The very first one would be updating your keyboard drivers. In order to do so, you have to open Device Manager. You can either search for the Device Manager in the search bar or right-click on the Start button and go to Device Manager option directly. It will now ask for permission, make sure to tap on Yes. Now that the Device Manager is open, expand the Keyboard section. Now right-click on your keyboard, which could be standard PS2 keyboard or any other. Now select Update Driver and choose Search Automatically. This is update number 1. Likewise, for the next step, you can disable the USB selective suspend and adjust the power settings. To do so, click on the search bar and type in Edit Power Plan. Then after hit the enter button. Now that the next page is opened, make sure to click on Change Advanced Power Settings. This will now again take you to another page from where you have to specifically select on USB settings. Then USB selective suspend settings, set both the on battery and plugged in into disabled, click on apply and OK, and after that make sure to restart the computer, which should fix the error. However, if it does not, let's move on to the next step, which would be again on the Device Manager. So follow the same process to open the Device Manager first, give it the permission. Now this time you have to expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Once you have expanded that, you have to right click on USB Root Hub 3.0. Once you right click on it, you have to go to its properties. Once you reach on the properties, you will see different tabs. Specifically select on the power management. Once you go to the power management tab, make sure to uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then click on OK and restart your computer. Now next option would be opening the command prompt and running some of the commands in order to fix and check the health. The commands should be run as administrators to make sure to give the access. The 4 commands are related to the disk cleanup and the scanner. So make sure to copy one by one each of these commands such as check health, scan health and restore health, as well as sfc/scan now, and try to access the keyboard settings again. Likewise, let's move on to the last solution that you can try on, which would be changes on registry editor. So first of all, click on the search bar and type in registry editor to open it. Go to this location, which is HKey current user, control panel, accessibility and keyboard response. Hereby you have to make certain changes, which is auto repeat delay to 200 value, auto repeat rate to 6, delay before acceptance to 0, flags to 59. And after that restart the computer and your issue should be fixed. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.